Hello, in this video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the headlamp from the Dollar Tree. I'll show what the package looks like before I open it. It says LED headlamp, super bright, 3 modes, high, low, flashing, requires 3 AAA batteries not included. On the back it has instructions. This is what it looks like when I take it out of the package. There's a rubber band that's holding this strap together right now. This is what the flashlight looks like. This is the front. That's the bottom. That's the top where the power button is. This is the right side. And this is the left side. And that's the back. This is what it looks like with the battery compartment open. It takes 3 AAA batteries. This is what it looks like after I installed the headband. Now I'm going to test it. Okay, I press this once. That's high. Press it again. That's low. Now press it again. That's flashing. And that's off. In conclusion, the LED headlamp is $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. And it comes in 3 different colors. They only had yellow when I got mine, but it also comes in black and red. And as a comparison, they currently have this one available at Costco. It's a 3-pack of headlamps for $5 off at a price of $28.99. And this one has a lot more features. It's rechargeable, and it has more light modes. It has red night vision and a spotlight, and it has rechargeable batteries. It comes with Li-ion batteries included, or you can run it on dry cell batteries, and those batteries are included too, so that's a nice feature. But if all you need is a light, this one will work fine. And I'd say the build quality on the Dollar Tree headlamp is probably medium, but I would give it like probably a 5 out of 5 star rating, because for the price I think it's a really good deal. And if all you need is a light, this will work fine.